you want to cut your hair? Well, let's do it. I feel like we've been here once before.
Oh boy. Ow. Mom. Ow. 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 Ow.
It's not quite all tang-free yet. How long have you been thinking about cutting your hair?
Several days.
Several days. What inspired you?
11 from Stranger Things. Season 3.
Nice. Tell me about your day.
Yeah, it's good.
Guess what I did?
What?
I read something on the internet that made me really, really mad. I was sitting on a treadmill trying to write down why I was angry. Then, once I wrote it down, you know what I wanted to do?
What?
Put it on Facebook. So you know what I did?
What?
I asked the person next to me, he was 67 years old, should I put this on Facebook? Do you feel like he would have said yes? You were angry about something, put it on Facebook.
I mean, sure.
Or do you think he would have said no, you're angry about something, don't put it on Facebook?
Yes.
Or do you think he would have said, well, maybe you should wait to post something until you're not angry about it. Maybe you should post from a calm state. A, B, or C?
Actually, I'm thinking C.
That's right. That's exactly what he said.
Kind of had a feeling.
So guess what I did?
What?
I did not post. So I'm really proud of myself because I had enough anger to put all my words out there. If it's something that is important that needs to be said, then I can say it when I'm calm. Back to the start. Do you,
Yes.
my beautiful princess,
Yes.
want to cut off your beautiful hair?
Yes.
Okay. Oh.
You can keep it.
Oh, but that's actually an interesting thought. I could keep your. Is that weird?
No, not really.
Okay, and now I'm gonna hold it down to like here.
I kind of wanted it to be like right here.
You make no more pretend beards. Well,
That looked ridiculous.
I'm just gonna cut this off right here. Yeah? Here we go. You ready?
Yes.
What is that? Are you praying?
No.
What are you thinking?
Just thinking about random stuff like trees and people.
You're not thinking about her. Am I sure I want to do this?
I mean, I'm kind of thinking that too.
Should we wait?
No, I want to do it. Just do it.
Oh my god, feel how soft. Wow. It's
Oh my
the
God.
color of it. How soft that is.
Dude.
Like, it's so soft. Yeah, now we have your hair. Yeah.
At least you have it.
Oh my god. Maybe I can braid it. Braid it. You can come in here and play with your hair. This is weird. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. It's a hair. Look. Look, you could use this for like a little hairpiece later around your ponytail. No one would know. Your real
Yeah.
hair. Okay.
No one would know.
Now the real work begins. Oh boy.
Take it off.
Yeah, take that off. See where we're at.
Oh, that's really short.
Oh. Now what?
It still feels like myself. But it's shorter. It's because it is shorter.
Oh.
What? I like the way it feels.
It does feel so super soft, doesn't it? I know. Oh, beard goatee. Yeah, you can look at the camera. Just stay focused on that space while I cut your guiding line. Now we're gonna add some layers.
Oh, okay.
Did that do anything? Sure, it did something. Bum, bum. Love, love. I had a dream.
What was it?
It was an 11 style dream. I was fighting with a possessed vacuum cleaner.
Possessed vacuum cleaner.
Yes.
Sounds ridiculous.
You're so very trusting. I am not trained in this, but I am an artiste.
I'm gonna put my glasses on to see this. Oh my god, it looks so pretty.
You don't gel, do you? Nut butter.
No. Oh my god. Mom. No.
Texture cream. Perfect. Water in your hair. Because all the water has gone away.
Like it always does.
Like it's like a rag or something where it's taking all your water.
No, it's like clay.
It's like clay. So we've got some good water in here. Grooming texture cream.
You sure you know how to do that?
I'm not sure I know how to do anything. This is my first time living life. So I'm not sure about anything.
Did you read the instruction about something?
Nope, I did not read instructions.
Apply to thoroughly towel dried hair. Or dried hair. Style as desired.
Caution. Rogue robot.
Shut up.
Caution.
I said shut up.
Rogue
I said shut up.
robot.
I said shut the up.
What? Not better.
I swear.
I swear by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Shut up.
There we go. How you feeling about that?
Good. Okay.
All right. So just go with this for now. Let it dry and see how it feels after a little bit of dry time. I did good.
Yeah, you did.
Great job, Mom. I'm feeling pretty confident about this.
Yep. Yeah, I actually like it.
Hi, Bill.
I made it.
You made it.
Made it home.
Hooray!
Hooray. What's up?
I want to show you something.
Oh, you did a thing. I see.
Yeah. You like it?
Very nice. Very cute.
Thank you so much. I love it. It's so cute.
So cute. I love you. You are so cute.
Thank you.
You're rocking the short hair.
What are you recording?
Layla, tell him.
I cut my hair. Nice. But that's it?
That's it. That's it. That is years of hair.
Okay, can I go back to my room and play on my tablet?
Really?
I guess.
Really, Layla? You can really play on your tablet, Layla.
Okay.
I would like you to use the force to turn off the camera.
No. No.